For dinner tonight, I am making sweet and sour meatballs. So you need, this is 2 pounds of meatballs. Aldi put the label over my package, so can't really show you the front of it. But it is Bremer brand. You can get whatever brand of meatball. So I'm putting in 2 pounds of meatballs. These are frozen. And then 2 bell peppers. These are also frozen. I had these that I vacuum sealed, so I'm going to use these up because they're starting to get freezer burnt. I'm going to use them up before they go bad. And you can put frozen things into the crock pot, no problem. They will eventually break apart. So you can use red bell pepper. I personally love red bell pepper, but I had some green. Red bell pepper a little bit sweeter than green, but I use what I have. 1 onion. I sliced up this onion and just throw it right in there. And then sweet and sour sauce. Now I've made sweet and sour sauce. You can make sweet and sour sauce. I figured it'd be easy this time just to buy it. Aldi does have a semi-healthier brand. This kind, it does not have dyes in it. I really try to stay away from dyes because they're just not good for you. It does have a lot of sugar in it. We treat ourselves every once in a while. So I have 2 bottles. They are 14.5 ounces. This is the kind that I like. I pour both of those in there. And then you're going to want pineapple tidbits. It can be pineapple chunks. It doesn't really matter. You can also use fresh pineapple. I'm sure it's better for you. I got canned this time. You're going to cook these first and then you're going to add the canned pineapple in about an hour before they're done. So I'm going to stir it up to get all of that sweet and sour sauce evenly distributed. And then I'll put it on low for about 4 hours. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna let it go until 6 o'clock tonight. I love to start crockpot meals early in the morning, and then I can just set them and forget them. And then I don't have to do all of that work later on when it's dinner time. So I will also make probably some rice with this and then a vegetable of some kind. But there are our meatballs. All right, so we have been out of power for like over 2.5 hours. Our meatballs haven't been cooking for 2.5 hours, but at this point, they're still a little bit warm. I'm going to add in the pineapples, add in the whole can today. It is a 20-ounce can. You only really need like a cup, but it's like a cup and a half or 2 cups anyways. So you stir that in there. And then put it in there for probably another hour. In this case, since it's been off for 2 hours until it's bubbly and warm. So, I hope y'all enjoyed.